Alright y'all, we have got a sharp Kenworth 2018 model W900L. Start up front, got a big Cummins X15, 565 horse, 1950 torque. Dual fuel tanks, EATON 18-speed transmission. Full bag air ride in the rear. 40,000-pound rears. 13.2 front. Full diff lock. Engine brake. Cruise control. Power mirrors. Power windows. Continental 11R 24.5 drives. Y'all see the rubber. Exhaust air sliding fifth wheel. Dual exhaust. I mean, how much sharper do you want it, y'all? Beautiful burgundy color on this truck. Lots of nice aluminum. Those good looking Kenworth Chevron wheels on it. Lots of aluminum and chrome on this truck, y'all. 499,000 showing on the day. Up front. I am not sure the size of the sleeper at this time. Kenworth air ride seats. AC, heat, radio. Couch folds out into a bed. No faults. Y'all see it in here. Big 18 speed. Y'all come check it out. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. Y'all can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. As always, we thank y'all for watching our videos. We look forward to you coming to see us.